Hello everyone, I am Yaxi Huang. You can call me Sophia. Today our topic is learning culture through music. Our learning purpose is to understand the cultural diversity of Australia and understand the cultural characteristics of each country around the world. We will listen to music and identify where music comes from, and then describe the culture associated with the music. Australia is a multiple cultural country. As we know, our teachers and the students are from all over the world. There are people from India, Egypt, Thailand, and so on. There are people from all of Europe, France, England, and so on. As you know, I am from China. When it comes to China, you may think of Chinese cuisines, the Great Wall, the line dance, and so on. So today, I would like to introduce a special music instrument to you. It calls 古筝. Very beautiful instrument, is it? The 古筝 has 21 strings. There are 3 music zones, and each zone only have do, re, mi, so, la. And the fa, you have to press mi to pronounce it. And the si, you have to press la. And another feature of it is you need to wear fake nails. And using fake nails, you can make a beautiful sound. And please find the more information on the website. Today, I bring the 古筝 to the classroom. The next time is our practice time. The homework. There are 4 music. We need to listen and identify and describe the relevant culture like before mentioned. I show you the first.